Smart cities, building a sustainable and connected future. Smart cities represent the future of urban living where technology and data create efficient, sustainable, and connected environments. By 2025, smart city initiatives will be widespread, leveraging sensors, IoT devices, and data analytics to enhance urban infrastructure and quality of life. Imagine a city where traffic lights adjust in real time to congestion, waste management systems optimize collection routes, and energy grids efficiently distribute power based on demand. Smart cities will prioritize sustainability, reducing carbon footprints through smart energy management, water conservation, and waste reduction. These cities will also enhance public safety with advanced surveillance, emergency response systems, and disaster management technologies. Citizen engagement will be central to smart cities, with digital platforms enabling residents to participate in decision-making, access services, and provide feedback. The integration of smart technologies will foster economic growth, attract investments, and create job opportunities in tech-driven industries. By embracing smart city innovations, urban centers will become more livable, resilient, and sustainable, addressing the challenges of modern urbanization.